Good day guys, Bing here. So last time we did this one. So okay, so we've done this one before. Same. Okay, so this one. Yeah, I don't. Actually, this one's about this one. Okay, so I don't think this will work. So when we use a void to cut a surface and then to create a divided surface, so this is what we will get. So Revit won't create this pattern. So it will only be this with this void. So I think the only way to try to create something like this is to just, instead of using a void, try to just adjust. So if this surface is created by using like this this edge and this edge, and maybe it's just something in the middle, so you will have to adjust this edge to achieve this shape. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so this is what we're going to do today. Yeah, so this is for this one. Okay, so this we're going to do this one. Okay, so to create this pattern, we can there are two different ways of doing this. So one is if these walls are vertical, so we can quite easily use curtain wall to create this. If this walls is not vertical, it's a slanted wall, or even something like this, we have to use either pattern-based family or adaptive family to create this. So let's just do it. Let's do it. So first, I'm going to just show you. I'm going to show you the first method. So curtain wall. So if it's vertical, so this is the architecture template. So I'm just going to create a curtain wall. Oh, actually, I'm going to just create so use this curtain wall with no mullions. Let's go to 3D view, and maybe I'll just reduce the length. Okay, so I'm going to edit the type, duplicate. So I just call it type 2. So just give them some mullion. Okay, so vertical, yep, and also borders, horizontal. Okay, so we are going to see the vertical, so they're quite standard, so we can just use maybe maximum spacing, or maybe just make it like 900. Okay, but for the horizontal, so you can see there, so it's not, there's a not pattern, it's not a fixed distance, it's all different. So I'm going to just leave it as none, and instead of let Revit to create this, so we can just do it ourselves. Just go to architecture, curtain grid, and then you can just place this. So for example, I'll just place what's the level height? So 4 meter. Okay, maybe let's just do 2 levels. I'll just make it 4 meters off the level 1, so that's 8 meter in total. So I'll just do this. So let's pretend that's 900. So 4 meter minus 1.8 is 3.2. Oh, hang on, 2.2, right? 2.2. Then another 900, another 900, another 2.2, and then 900. Okay, so this will be something like this. So you can see that's a lower window, higher window, middle big window, lower window, higher window. So yeah, if these are just vertical, so can be very easily So create it using, and so you might want to know how we can quickly create these windows inside of. So the easiest way is you don't need to load any window curtain panel window family at all. You can just select, so you can see tab panel, and you can directly change it to a curtain wall. So we can just create a new curtain wall with mullions, and that's all. Okay, so let's just select this curtain wall first. CS, create a similar, edit type, duplicate. So I just call it, maybe just call it window. Okay, window, and then we can just change this one to none because we don't need any vertical grids. We can leave all these. If you wanted to, you can create a different size. So let's just maybe just do a smaller. 30 is, yes, 30 is fine. I'll just use 30 for all the mullions. Okay, so click OK, and then select select so panels, and then you can go find that. I think that's our window, right? So it will change this curtain panel into a curtain wall with mullion. Okay, so that's curtain wall inside of curtain wall. So this is the easiest way of doing this. And also if you want, so see here, so there's different material, so that's all good. So we can just select, maybe just change the material, change this aluminum. So I'll just change the graphic color. So maybe I'll just use gray, dark gray. Okay, and then I'll select select this. Oh, hang on, where's my, here. Select this one, unpin it, and I'll just hang on. We don't need to unpin it because this is a different type. Hang on. So this is 50 by 150. So so this is a different type of mullion. So we can just change this one without changing the material of the other mullion. So let's just duplicate them. Maybe I'll just call it aluminum 2. I'll just change the material to a lighter gray. Okay, so finish, and that's all. So now you can see, so all the window, so the inside window frame become a lighter color. And okay, so let's do the same. So this one, maybe just select this. So, and also you can type IC. If you type IC, so you will only see this. So it's make it easier to select. Oh, actually, it also hide all the frame, and I don't know where these. Maybe I'll just change back HR. So yeah, so this one, tab, select this one, yeah, this and this, and then just change this one to window. So this is it, vertical, if it's vertical, right? So now let's do this type. Okay, so slanted, not vertical. So actually I did try to try to use pick wall by face, and so let's quickly have a try. So we can use model in place generic model to place a wall by face. Okay, so let's just I'll use blend. So just do a rectangular shape and edit top. I'll just offset maybe like 2 meter, and then oops, oh good, finish, and then just drag this up. So now we have a slanted wall. So we can try wall by face and pick this. I think we try to pick this, maybe this one. So you'll see we won't be able to create a wall by face curtain wall. Okay, it won't work. So so which means we and also we can actually create a curtain system on this, but I don't think we can. Oh, maybe we can, but it can be tricky. Let me just have a try. So curtain system is very similar to curtain wall. So we can also change, adjust the mullions and I don't know which one's vertical, which one's horizontal. I'll just have a try. 900 maximum, apply. Okay, so that's vertical. This one's vertical. This one's horizontal. But the issue is I don't think we can add grid. Oh, actually we can. Great. Sorry, I didn't know that. So which means we can probably just change this one to none, delete grid, and then we can can also manually do this, right? So 900, 22. Oh, it's probably different because the it's slanted. The length would be different. The height, I mean, what's this? Okay, it looks like we have some issue here. Anyway, so let's just I think that this is it. I'll see if we can just tab select and change to see, there's no option here. So there's no option. So in a curtain wall, so you can change this one to a curtain wall. Okay, change this curtain panel, system panel, into a curtain wall. But a curtain system, so there's no option. So which means it won't work. So okay, so let's stop this one here. So the next method I'm going to show you is we can create a pattern-based family. Okay, so pattern-based family. So okay, so first, so there are actually two different patterns here. So let me just do a screenshot. So see here, so it's basically if you so if you consider this as one pattern, so it's something like this, and then this is, and then that's a window here, window here. So this is one, okay, and then just and repeat this pattern, right? So I probably and then this one. So this is slightly different, but if you look at this, if you do this, okay, so it's very similar. So if I do this, so and then just and also middle, right? And then what we need to is just connect this one, see, and then another one, and then do this, and this. Okay, so they are very, very similar. So I might maybe I'll just do this one, because this one's I think this one's easier. So let's just do this one. So and then you can try to create this one by yourself. Okay, so let's start. So we're going to use pattern-based family. Okay, so it will be a 1, 2, 3, 4 point pattern, rectangular pattern, right? So let's create a new family. So I'm going to use generic model pattern base, and okay. So let's 1.1234. Yeah, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So from this one, so there are actually two same pattern here. So oh, hang on, let me think. Actually, let me just have a look. I did one. I think I did one. This one. I need to check. Okay, so this is what I had a test. Alright, so okay, so I need to just open this family and see how I did this one. Okay. Yes. Okay. That's right. So okay, so you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 3-point adaptive family inside of pattern-based family. Okay, and then placed onto here, so that this is a divided surface. Let me just try to. Oh hell! Oh, maybe I'll turn off the map. Yes. Okay. Yeah, so this is a divided surface. Okay, with rectangle family floor. Yeah, all good. So I think let's just go have a look. So this is adaptive family. So family 1, 2, 3 placed onto this pattern-based family. Yep. Okay, so now I'll close this and try to create a new one. Okay, so let's do it from scratch. So this is a pattern-based family. So we're going to place adaptive family inside onto these adaptive points. So now I'll just leave it here, and then we need to create a new family. So it will be a generic model adaptive here. Okay, so in this generic model adaptive family, we need to place 1, 2, 3, 3 points, make them with adaptive points, and then create a spline through point between 1, 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay, and then make this reference line. Now, I think 1, 2, 3. Let me have a look again. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1. You see, 1, 2, 3, with these 2 points. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now place a point onto use draw on face. Oh, sorry. Point draw on face onto this and also onto this line, and then select this point. So you can see this 2 arrow. It means it's measured from this point. And this normalized curve parameter 0.38 means it's 38%. So this length is 38% of this entire length of this line. So what we're going to do is, what's this one? Yeah, need to flip this one. So they both measure from this side. So we know that in a imagine this is a triangle shape. So if we want these two, this line, so let's just select these 2 points, create a spline through points. If we want this line to be parallel with this, so these 2 percentage will be the same. So if I let's just type 0.3, and you will see this line is now parallel with this line. So we can just do a dimension to doesn't work. Anyways, they are parallel. Okay, so let's just we can just create a parameter for this one. I'll call it n maybe. Okay, so type is fine. Now we can control this, but and then let me think. We need to. Okay, so we need to create a frame. So that's the black part, and then we create a smaller part. Okay, so let's just place a point you draw on face onto this line, right? And then reference. I'll just use rectangle draw on work plan, set work plan. Pick this, and then I'll draw rectangle shape, rectangular shape, and then let me think. The frame size. Let's make it 150 by maybe by 50. Okay, and also let's just move it Okay, so now we can create, if we select this 1, 2, 3, 3 reference line, and together with this profile, we can create a frame. Okay, so this will be the black frame. Then we need a horizontal. See, there's a horizontal black mullion. So for that one, we can just create something on here, right? So, oh hell, let me think. Yeah, I think should be okay. So let's select everything here. So a point with profile. So I select this point, pick new holes, pick this, and then create another frame. Okay, and then we need to create a smaller frame in the middle. So let's just HH this frame, HH this frame. I'll copy this one, CC, and select, oh hell, before that we don't have a reference line between this point and this point, between this point and this point. So let's create one and another one. Okay, and then also we need to make them reference line. So now we have 1, 2, 3, and together with this 4 we can create another frame. So now this is a profile, so this is a smaller one, so maybe we can just make it slightly smaller. 1, 3, 5, so we can change this one to 120. So okay, oh hell, 1, 3, 5, 1, 5, 0, 1, 3, 5, 120. Yeah, that's correct. So it's still centered. Okay, so now we can pick this point, pick new holes, and pick on this reference line. And we don't want this frame to be overlap with this. So we're going to move this away from that point, and then select this profile, then 1, 2, 3, 3 reference path, and then also this one. Okay, so create a form. Now we have another frame. Now type HR. We have the black part. We can change the material. Oh, maybe we can just join them, just make it look nicer. And also for these two, we can just I'm not going to create a material parameter. I'll just create some material for them. So maybe this one's gray and this one's lighter gray. I'll just create a new one, maybe white. Okay, so type SD, so you can see the color difference, right? So okay, so now we and then we need a glass glazing. For glazing, I'm not going to be fast. I'll just use these 3 reference lines. So 1, 2, and 3, and create a form. And I'll just make it very. Oh hell. Let me just check. Maybe I'll just make it 12 mil. Type glass and type HR. So roughly yeah, I think that's okay, sitting in the middle, right? So now this is one adaptive family. So now we can load this one into the pattern-based family. Okay, so now we're going to place this onto the 1, 2, 3 adaptive points. So now let's place another one. So I'll HH this one, HH this line again, and then create. So 1, 2, and 3. Now type HR. Yeah. So I think this is it. SD. So this is one pattern-based family. Now we can load this one into the project. Okay. And okay, so before we place this pattern-based family, so we're going to create a shape, a massing, so similar to this. Okay, so let's do it. Model in place, M mass. Okay, so we're going to start from ground level. So I'll just place a rectangular shape to draw on work plan, and current work plans on ground floor, which is good. And I'll just place it here. And then I'll just want to use fillet arc to just create a corner. I'll just maybe 3 meter, for example. Okay, so I think that's good. And let me think. Yeah, I'll just create a form from this one. So it's like a extrusion. But once you create this one, I'll make it 8 meter. Oh no, sorry, not 80 meter. 8 meter. And you can just unlock this one and use edit profile and change this. So instead of having 2 reference line, you can also use 1 reference line, just create a form directly and then edit this profile, edit the sketch of the top. So I'm going to just roughly use RE scale, and then maybe just do something like this. So now if I click on finish, so it will change this massing to this. So now we have this tab, select this surface and use divided surface. And for the horizontal, I'm going to change it to 2, right? And this one, maybe change it to 4 roughly. And then yeah, I'm happy with this. And then I'll do the divided surface on this side as well, 2 and maybe 10. Okay, so I'll fix this later. So let's just do this one first. Select this divided surface, and then we can use the family we just did. And this is it. So let's have a look. I think that's all. Yeah, I think is that right? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's window white. Yeah, I think that's right. Yeah, that's right. So see here. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this. So okay, so now this part, let's try to use this again. Okay, so now you can see this. It's a little bit issue here. So in this image, there's no diagonal mullion, but I think you can yeah, try to create, because it's very similar. So probably you can just instead of having 3 points adaptive family, you can directly create that pattern into that pattern based family. So I'll leave that to you, but let's say if we can fix this bit. Okay, so to fix this one, so let's just turn off the components turn off the component and show the surface. Turn off component, show surface. So what we can do is we can just see here, we just need to try to change the shape of this corner into, from here to roughly here. So we can select this and edit profile. So see, current is here, stop here. So we just need to maybe use fillet arc. This. Try to see roughly here. Oh, close enough. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's close enough. So and then delete this and finish, and then see, that's it. So yeah. Maybe yeah, if you wanted to, you can increase the number of these. So to yeah, I think that's good. So now if we change, select this, turn off the surface, turn on the component. So you'll say, yeah, that's it. Okay, I think this is it. It's actually quite simple. Yep. And okay, I think I will leave it to you because it's almost half an hour. Yeah, great, exactly. Okay, so thanks. I will save this file and upload it so you can have a play. Try to create this bit yourself. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.